Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the sum of negative 2x squared plus x plus 31 and 3x squared plus 7x minus 8 can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So first of all, let's just find the sum, right? So the sum, you just add them up, and we're going to get it in this form. So we want all the x squared terms together, we want all the x's together, and we want all the constants together. So adding this up, we have negative 2x squared plus 3x squared. So negative 2 plus 3 is 1x squared, or just x squared. 1x plus 7x, 1 plus 7 gives us plus 8x, and plus 31 minus 8 is plus 23, right? So we've accounted for our x terms, or our x squared terms, we've accounted for our x terms, and we've accounted for our constants. And this is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So x squared has to be equal to ax squared, 8x has to be equal to bx, and 23 has to be equal to c. So what are the values of a, b, and c? Well, if we divide both sides of this equation by x squared, these cancel, and we get a is equal to x squared divided by x squared is just 1, right? Anything divided by itself is just 1. Here we can divide by x, and these cancel and these cancel, and we're left with 8 is equal to b, and then we've already solved 23 is equal to c here without even doing anything. So we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to 23. What is the value of a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c equals, a is equal to 1, so 1 plus b is equal to 8, so 1 plus 8 plus 23 is equal to c. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 23, and then 9 plus 23 is equal to 32. So what is the value of a plus b plus c in this problem? 32 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.